Hello everybody. Well today, instead of headphones, we're wearing hard hats. We're having to wear hard hats because this is our first clue. This is one big hunk of salt. And we are 650 feet below the ground.
The vastness of these mines is just almost incomprehensible. Where we're standing, the ceilings are really high, the rooms are vast. You would think going into a mine that you would feel a little claustrophobic or a little funny. Of course, it would be very dark down here if it were not lit. But it's really not, you don't even feel like you're underground when you're standing here.
All right, here we are. We're at another old vehicle that's been left behind. And this cutout is probably somebody you might notice, Mike Rowe of Dirty Jobs. And the funny story is years ago, we had a very dear friend of ours come over from Italy, and we decided to bring him here. And when he walked in this place, he looked at me and he says, "Ron," and I said, "What?" "Simone." And he goes, "I have seen this place." And I said, "Simone, no, you've not seen this place." And he goes, "Yes, I have seen this place. It is Mike Rowe from Dirty Jobs."
They keep talking about the preservation qualities of the salt, and I'm really surprised Ron hasn't told me I have to move down here, or at least work down here.
Well, as you see, we have a lot of storage bins, and we got a lot of movie paraphernalia and memorabilia down here. What a lot of people don't realize is when Hollywood gets through making films now, they send it to the salt mines, and this is where they keep it and store it, because where we're at, bugs do not survive, so we don't have to worry about insects or anything like that tearing up these old historic films. So earlier we saw a poster of Wizard of Oz, which is absolutely one of the most iconic movies around, and that is kept here. So anytime they want to look at the original film, they bring it back up from the salt mines. They put in an order for it. So next time you hear, if I were king of the forest, not prince, not duke, but king, you know where it came from. It came from here.